Welcome to GeorgeWay mathTV.
So how am I going to do this question right here? Write equations for the vertical and horizontal lines passing through the point -2 and 9. Well, whenever I'm writing equations for vertical and horizontal line and I'm given a point, I know that I have to graph. So I'm going to have my graph like that. So this is my x and that is my y. And on my x, I have to make sure I have -2. So let's say this is my -2 on my x. And on the y, let's say that's my +9. So I just need those 2 points. And now I'm just going to plot this point on the graph. So -2 and 9 is right there, let's say. So -2 and 9, I just plot it. And I'll just do this. Draw a line through it. So I'll draw my line through the point, but it has to be through the numbers also. And now, this line went through the number -2, right? And -2 is on the x. So it's x equals. But this line, is it vertical or horizontal? I know that is a vertical. So that means the equation for the vertical line, I'm gonna say is this line, which is x equals -2. And for my horizontal line, that would be this line right here. Is horizontal. So I'm not looking at these, I'm looking at my new lines. So that was my vertical, and it passed through the number -2, and it's on the x. So x equals -2. And then here, it is passing through 9, but this line is horizontal. But it's touching the y. So I'll say y equals 9 for my horizontal. And that's it. Now is your turn. I want you to practice some of these questions on your own. This, you have to keep practicing. And the more you do it, that's how you're going to get it, okay?
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.